Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and in this video I'm just going to talk about how you can model a basic table using Blender under 1 minute. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So right now on my screen you can see guys I have a default cube here, and I'm just going to use this only cube for this. So I'm just going to scale first of all like that. Then I'm just going to my top view, scaling like this, like that. After scaling that, I will scale it a little bit more, something like that. Either I can just scale it a little less also. Alright, after that I'm just going to apply a scale first of all, which is required and it is mandatory. After that I'm just going to add another one cube here. I'm just going to scale it a little bit down. I'm just going to move it and keep it around here like this. Alright, it is enough for me right now. Then I'm just going to place it from the first front angle as well. Let me just do it a little bit inside. After that I'm just going to select my cube. I'm just going to move it a little bit down, something like that. It is look awesome, perfect. Then I'm just going to use a modifier called a mirror modifier. For this I'm just going to my generate section. I will use a mirror modifier. I will use as a x-axis as well, and right now you can see guys we have a good legs here, which is look awesome by the way. Alright, now what I'm going to do basically, I will again going to scale a little bit like this, and I'm going to little bit scale like that as well. Okay, so we have a good table size here. Now I'm just going to apply scale. After that I will just press again shift A. I'm going to add another cube here, and I'm just going to adjust the size of this cube like this. I'm going to put it here, something like that. So first of all I'm just going to my left view, going to place it like that. Okay, it's look awesome. And then I'm just going to edit mode. I'm going to move this whole shape like this. Okay, it's look awesome. After that again I'm just going to use the same mirror modifier, and I'll just use like this. And right now I will change the x-axis into the y-axis, something like this. Then again I'm just going to duplicate this and going to top view, going to rotate it, something like that. Then I'm just going to move it here. I will change the axis first of all, go to the left view and trying to match this shape along with my table, something like this. I think it is totally match. All right, it's look awesome. So here you can see guys we have a perfect table here. Let me just push it a little bit inside, something like that. It's look awesome. Here you can see. Alright, so let me just increase the height of a leg as well a little bit, so it look also awesome. Okay, now what I will do basically, I will create a hole inside here. So for that I can use one thing by the way, but before doing anything let me just apply the mirror basically, so we will get the effect only one side, otherwise we'll get the effect automatically from the other side also. Then I'm just going to select this face, going to insert it like this. Then let me just scale it like that. Let me scale it like that. It look awesome. Let me scale it a little bit more. After that I'm just going to do insert one more time, then going to extrude inside like this. And let me just do shift D and P for the separate. Then I'm just going to move it this whole shape little bit outside. Then I'm just going to edit mode again, extrude it and like this. Then let me just select the top face. I will do insert and make it a drawer like that. Okay, it look awesome by the way. Let me just scale it little bit, just little bit. Yeah, it look awesome. Now I will just add one UV sphere, something like that. Go to my front view, change the view, align as a view, scale it a little bit, going to move it here, scale it a little bit more. Then I'll just apply the scale. Then I'm just going to select my UV sphere one vertices, then do Ctrl plus, and I'm just going to scale it a little bit on a y-axis. Let me just do it around 0, and let me just pull it something like this. It look awesome. Let me scale it first of all, right click and do shade and auto smooth. Now I will parent this thing to the here. Let me just put it inside more. Okay, it's look awesome. Let me just parent this thing to this thing, Control P and parent. Now I can move this drawer like this. Oh my god, it's look very cute. Alright, so here you can see guys we have created a wonderful table under 1 minute. It's look awesome by the way, and here is the final render, which is you can see here. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, let me know into the comment box. I'll definitely try to reply your comment. So till then guys, bye bye, take care, stay home and love you all.